We need some free horsepower. A lot of this interior in a BMW E92 weighs a bunch. So I get it all out of the car. I have some scales here, put all the panels and everything on the scales and see exactly how much weight we've taken off the car. Lost my patience. Where's my Sawzall? All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break because right now would be a good opportunity to do a weigh-in of all these parts. I have my scales set up. I'm sure I could have hooked up 4, but 3 is only necessary. Got a pallet right here. I'm gonna set the pallet on the scales and then we're gonna zero the scale. Then we're gonna go ahead and start putting all these parts on the pallet and we'll document what we have so far, see what that is, and keep moving forward and weighing as we go. Get this pallet on here. That pallet is 23 pounds. When I hit 0 here, we're at 0. So let me start loading up some parts. Man, these seats are just crazy heavy, dude. So nuts. No way, dude. Okay, so we got both just the seats on the scales, and the scale is reading 124 pounds. That's crazy. We're gonna write this down together. So, seats, 124 pounds. Okay, let's take these off. Okay, so on this pile of junk is the interior door panels, on both driver and passenger side, as well as the door glass, and all the interior like window hinge mechanisms and stuff, including the motors that you see there. And that weight came up to 62 pounds. Seats obviously were 124, and then the rest of that crap was 62 pounds, so it came out to 186 pounds. That's almost 200 pounds, guys, already off the car itself. I think I'll probably start with pulling off the center console and then getting the rear seats out of the car. Once the rear seats are out of the car, I'll probably pull these side interior panels off and then start moving forward to, getting the B-pillars out, and then maybe the carpet. We'll see how that all goes. It just keeps coming out of this car. So we got some rear interior panels, all the back seats. So we're making some solid progress, but let's take a break and let's do a little bit of a weigh-in. Got some more stuff left, but this will be kind of our batch number 1. So batch number 1 is 47 pounds. And we'll note this. We take all this stuff off. All right, let's start batch number 2. Yeah, also this is all the hardware right here so far. We'll add that and see what we get. Oh boy, you guys are gonna be surprised at this one. It's 74 pounds. Our original was 186 that we already took off from the front. Now that we took an extra 121 pounds off the car, we literally just took 307 pounds off the car already. That's crazy. We still have the floor carpet to come out. We still have the center console to come out. Also got the roof interior to come out as well. Got some work to do. Gonna keep plugging away. All right, we're able to get some more stuff out of the car. As you can see, got the roof interior panels all off, side interior insulation all out, some more carpet, center console fully out. Maybe I should just leave the carpet up front, because honestly, kind of gives a little bit of a luxury drift car kind of vibes, but I think that's what I'm gonna do for now. Only thing I'll kind of have to do is notch a little section out of the carpet on the side of the tunnel here, just to mount the handbrake. But let's see what we tore out. So there it is. All the rest of the stuff. We're definitely gonna do a little bit of a weigh-in again. Rear carpet, headliner, center console came out to 80 pounds. That's crazy. Guys, the total is 387 pounds, everything that we took out of the car so far. So that's it. It's been a fun project today. Got a lot done on this car, especially getting that much weight out. I think the next move will be to actually get some seats in the car. So cut up some seat brackets. I got a couple of seats already that I'm gonna put in the car that I've already had. Maybe get the steering wheel on the car and get the hydraulic handbrake all plumbed up. And then, you know, by doing that all at the same time, you know, by getting the seats back in it, we can even test the handbrake. Because before I do anything else, we definitely wanna make sure that that's working correctly and we plumbed it correctly. So thank you guys again for following along. Again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.